Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Theta network. So before starting this video, I request you kindly please subscribe my channel and stay connected with us. Let's see the live price prediction of Theta network of last 2-hour result. As you can see, it's loading. Kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Oh my god, as you can see now, the change is a positive of last 2 hour of Theta network is plus 2.78% change. In the high price of Theta network is $12.39. Price of Theta network is the high in the last 2 hour. Now the current price of Theta network is $12.2, and the Bitcoin price of Theta network is 0.00231 is the Bitcoin price of Theta network. If we see the analysis and the chart of Theta network, you can see here they are start upward coming. As you can see here, they are start jumping, as you can see. So that is the selling time, that is the buying time of Theta network cryptocurrency. That is the best time to buy a Theta network. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay connected with the latest news and updates about cryptocurrency.